guys, today I'm gonna cook or make cream cheese pasta. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, olive oil, garlic, onions, and then for bell pepper. The bell pepper is for garnish. That's what I said. This is for the garnish. Okay. First, we're gonna saute the garlic. Okay. And then the onions. And then guys, we're gonna add the cream cheese. And then the pasta is water. Cheese. Okay, ako pahinan ka madukot. Okay, so this is it. Look at that one. Okay, I'm gonna add a pasta. Okay, add the hitanan. I'm gonna add black pepper, guys. Okay, got that one, guys. Black pepper. And then I'm gonna add parsley. I'm gonna add parsley, and then basil. This is optional. If you don't like it, don't put. Look at our cream cheese pasta is done. So since today is Christmas, we're gonna garnish with red and green so that it becomes pretty. Okay, guys. It's good. Okay, guys, so that's our cream cheese pasta. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Jack, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and personal blog. And my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.